Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So first open this browser where you are getting the issue. So open it, then click on three dot, scroll down, then click on setting, click on three line, and after that scroll down, click to system and performance, then click on hardware essentials, and then just disable use graphic assessments when is available. So disable it, okay, and then close it. Then open any browser to download Intel, AMD, NVIDIA driver. Okay, so uh, suppose you are using Intel driver, so you can type Intel display driver download. Okay, and you can enter also which operating system and then first official website, and you can, if you are using AMD, so you can enter it AMD graphic driver, and we need to install the graphic driver. Okay, so click on latest graphic driver, click on graphic card. So this is our ARC Intel graphic driver. Click on it. After that, slow down, and this is download, and it is started downloading. Okay. So minimize it, but side by side, complete next step. So uh, type keyboard, and this thing I will show you in keyboard. You can do this thing via your keyboard. Okay, so press Windows Control Shift and press B. After that your display driver, it will reset it. Okay, and then repair Windows file, so click to start and type cmd. After that, right click to run as administrator, and then type sfc scan now, and then hit enter. After that, it will start the percentage, and when it is complete, then try to second one. Both command is very important for your restore your system. Okay, so second one, this one, DISM online cleanup image and restore health, then hit enter. So same, it will start the percentage. Okay, and minimize it, open this. It is already start, and when it is completed, then double click to launch, and next to install, and then restart it. Thank you.